I'm going to show you what's in the box, some of the features, and my overall first impressions, so stay tuned. So this is the packaging for the GTS 4 Mini. This is the mini version and not the regular version here. On the side, you can see that this does have Alexa built in, so that's going to be a great feature of this watch. You will have to download the Zepp app. That's how it's going to be communicating with your watch and the phone. So let's see what's inside here. So on the inside, you can see this is kind of your watch right here with this. So the watch itself, you can see that's the slim design here. It's got the silver kind of right around the side of it. It's very, very lightweight, which is going to be awesome when it's on. This is the wristband that it comes with. So it does have the clasp design with it here. This is going to be the charger. Looks like this will be a USB end that you will plug in, and then this will directly go on the back of the watch here. You're going to place this just like that. It's nice and magnetic, and that is going to be how it charges the watch. In the box, we do also have this manual that it comes with. So you can see this is what it's like on my wrist here. Nice small design. This is going to work out really well. So right away, I am very impressed with how lightweight this watch is here. It'll be nice to have Alexa built in, and I'm looking forward to some of the other features. I'm going to be using this watch as my main watch going forward. I'm very interested to see how it does with workout features and the GPS. So I'm going to be making some other content around this watch. So please subscribe to see my upcoming videos on this watch. There's going to be an affiliate link in the comments and description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.